Lesson 5-1, Perimeter and Area. The distance around a shape is the perimeter, the distance around the outside. So if you're walking the perimeter of the gym, you're walking around the outside edge of the gym. The perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of twice the length and twice the width. So there's two ways we can write this equation. It can be written as P equals 2L plus 2W, or it can be written as 2 times L plus W. The perimeter of a triangle is just adding up all the sides together to get the total distance. Let's look at a few examples together. To find the perimeter of the triangle, you just add up your sides. So 28 plus 13 plus 17. We can very easily here see that 17 plus 13 is 30, plus 28 would be 58. So in this case, you would not even need a calculator. For the next example, it is 2 times the length plus the width. So 2 times 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 is 22. Again, you would not need a calculator. 2 times 22 is 44. Pause the video to try a few examples below. So to find perimeter, we know that the formula is for a rectangle is 2 times the length plus the width. So we're going to plug in the numbers. So 2 times 21 plus 3. 21 plus 3 is 24. So this would be 2 times 24, which would be 48. And for the perimeter of a triangle, you just need to add up all of the sides. So we have 6 plus 8 plus 7, which comes to 21. So area is the space that's on the inside of the shape. The area of a rectangle is the product of the length and the width. So the formula is area equals length times width. So if we had a rectangle, the area is the space on the inside. The area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. The height is always labeled on a triangle unless it's a right triangle, and it's signified as a right triangle as a little box down in the corner. If it's a right triangle, then the height is actually the side, because the height of a triangle is how high it is from its base. So if it's not a right triangle, it will be labeled like this, and then it'll have a little H on that line. So it's 1/2 base times height. So let's take a look at these two examples for finding area. For the formula for area of a rectangle, we know that it is length times width. So you multiply 17 times 3 to give you 51. The area of a triangle is 1/2 the base times the height. The base is the bottom, so 1/2 of 8 times the height, which would be 4 times 6, which is 24. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of this video.